Today we are going to learn on a song, Lost Boy. But before we begin, we will need to learn two new chords. The first chord being E minor and the second chord, D chord. So how do we do our E minor chord? Using your three fingers, finger 1 will be on fret 2, first string. Second finger will be on 3rd fret, 2nd string. And the third finger is on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. Okay, do you get that? Now let's play this together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. And stop. Let's put E minor, G, C, and G together to make it into a nice chord progression. Ready? E minor, 5, 6, 7, go, and change to G chord. Change to C chord. Change to G chord. Back to E minor. Change to G chord. Change to C chord. And on a G chord. Now, shall we try this without stopping? E minor, G, C, and G. But let's go slow. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. E minor. 3, 4, G. 2, 3, 4, C. And G. Back to E minor. And E minor. Back to G. And C. Ending G. Were you able to complete the chord progression? Now, let's take a look at the next chord that we need to learn, which is your D chord. D chord, your first finger will be on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Second finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. And the third finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. So it looks like a bar, okay, where you can do it this way, or you can use 3 fingers and you can strum it down. Ready? 1, 2, ready, down, go. Rest and back again. Rest and back again. Rest and last time. Awesome! There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call home. My only friend was a man in the moon, and even sometimes he would go away too. Then one night as I closed my eyes, I saw a shadow flying high. He came to me with the sweetest smile. He told me he wanted to talk for a while. He said, Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. And never since that day, I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter when we're bored, we playing in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all of reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me. Lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me. Lost boys like me are free. Well, I certainly hope that you enjoyed yourself. Till the next time I see you. Bye!